strings. Perfect. All about strings in Python. Strings in Python are a sequence of characters enclosed in quotes. They are one of the most commonly used data types and offer a wide range of operations and methods for manipulations. What is a string? A string is a sequence of characters enclosed in single, double, or triple quotes as well. Or we also know, learned, or we are going to learn about what is triple quote string, also called doc string. Okay, examples for the single, for the double, for the triple. Creating string: name Alice, greeting, welcome to Python, multiple line, this a multi-line string, so on. String characteristic: immutable. Strings cannot be changed after creation. Index: characters in string can be accessed using their index. Okay. Immutable: strings cannot be changed after creation. Indexed characters in a string cannot be accessed using their index. Example: text Python, print text 0 output p. Index: characters in string can be accessed using their indexing. Or immutable: they are immutable because strings cannot be changed after creation, right? Okay. String operations: first of all, we do concatenations, combining two or more strings using the plus operator. First hello, second word. First plus second, output hello world. Repetition: repeat a string using the multiplication operator. Okay, so text repeat, text multiply 3, repeat. Membership: check if a substring exists in a string using in or not in. Print Python in I love Python, output true. String slicing: extract parts of string using slicing. Syntax: string start and step. Text Python, text 03, output pyt. Text 2, output pto. Text -1, it's reverse of the Python. Okay. String methods: Python provides many built-in string methods for manipulation of the string. Dot load, dot upward, dot strip, dot replace, dot split function, dot join function, dot start switch function, dot ends with function, dot find function, dot count function. So these are the functions we can try, we should try to learn string in a better way. String formatting: use f string. This is string formatting, like print f my name is dash and I am each years old. Okay. Using dot format, my name is this and I am this years old. Dot format Alice and not this. Using a percentage operator. Print my name is this and I am this sold. Perfect. So mostly we use f string as in